Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Mimi here. Today's video we will be unboxing the latest Silhouette Cameo 4 and I will be showing you how to do your first cut. Here's what's included inside the Cameo 4 box. So this is the first thing you're going to see. www.silhouetteamerica.com/setup is where you will register and set up your cutter. It is super easy to follow. But before that, let's continue unboxing. There's a sketch pen. You use this to draw elaborate designs into various material surfaces or to add a hand-drawn look to your projects. Inside this plastic, there's the auto blade, USB cable, and Cameo 3 tool adapters. The black adapter is for the black ratchet blade, blue for sketch pens, gray for deep cut blade, and white for craft blade. A power supply, a scraper. This one is essential to eliminate air bubbles along the way or to smooth out vinyl onto your project's surface. Hook is also essential for weeding vinyl and heat transfer cutouts. This tool allows you to remove excess material from around and inside any cutout images away from the material backing. There's also vinyl gloss that comes with 7 different colors. A transfer paper. When using vinyl and when you have to transfer cutout designs into a wall or other smooth surfaces, transfer paper is strongly recommended. Oracle 641 is a matte vinyl. This is perfect for interior decorating or indoor signage. It creates a matte finish and there's no glare. It comes with 11 different colors. Oracle Intermediate 651. I use this one a lot. This vinyl is also known as outdoor vinyl because it is water resistant and can withstand exposure to elements with resilience. It has a high gloss finish. Next is the 12-inch by 12-inch cutting mat. It is used to hold materials in place when sending jobs to the Silhouette machine. It has a regular adhesive level to hold most cardstock and general material types in place. Look very closely to your Cameo 4 to remove all packaging material. This area is where you can place some of your materials, but I don't really use it. This Oracle 651 that comes in brown color is free when I bought it. Now we are almost ready to do our first cut. Connect your Cameo 4 to the power outlet and your computer or laptop. Load the auto blade into the Tool 1 carriage. Then turn it on. Now it's time to register and set up our machine. Go to silhouetteamerica.com/setup. Click continue. Click create account. Then fill this up. Remember the email and password. Okay, now enter the email and the password. At the current version, I selected the Windows 64-bit because that's what I'm using right now. Go to silhouettedesignstore.com if you want to use downloadable and ready-made designs and shapes. Once purchased, designs and shapes are stored permanently in your library and can be used anytime. The cutting mat comes with a protective sheet over the sticky part of the mat. If your mat is too sticky, press it up against a cloth material like a shirt. Then place the material or the vinyl that you are going to use starting on the top left corner of the mat's grid. Then, load on your Cameo 4. Once it is below the Cameo, tap the up arrow to load it. Now I'm going to make my pantry labels at the Silhouette Studio. But first, click the page setup panel. Click the grid settings because I want to see the grid. But if you don't want to see it, you can just unclick the show grid. Click text or the letter A on the left side. And then click letter A on the right side or the text style panel to change the font. So to change the size, just drag the sides. If you want an exact size, go to transform panel just below the letter A on the right side. And then click scale, change the width and the height, and then apply. Now my pantry labels are ready. Tap send to set up your cut settings. Send button is located on the top right. For the material, I selected the vinyl Oracle 651 because that's the material I am using. For action, it's just AutoCut. Tool is Auto Blade. I changed the blade roller to 3. For the force, I chose 15 and speed is 5. And when everything is set, just press send. But if you are cutting a material for the first time and you want to check if it will cut nicely, do a test cut first. Hit that test button, the cutter will perform just a really small test cut just like this one. If your test cut looks smooth and easy to lift using a hook, now you can press the send button to start cutting your material. But if the test cut is a fail, just adjust the settings and perform a test cut until you find what's best for the material you are using. To unload the material, tap the down arrow. Now here's all the pantry labels that I made. I've already cut them. And so now we can start weeding. Now using a hook, I will remove the excess material in letters R and A. I have already cut the transfer tape almost the same size as the pantry label. Use a scraper to smooth out the surface. And done. Like, subscribe, and share if you like this video. Your support is greatly appreciated. Click the notification bell so you never miss future videos. Thank you!